In this video, I'll show you how to show ruler in Google Docs. The ruler in Google Docs is useful when you want to adjust margins, line up text, move indent markers, or make your document look cleaner and more organized. According to Google's official help page, rulers are available in Google Docs on a computer, and you can turn them on or off from the View menu. To show the ruler, first open your document in Google Docs on your computer. Then go to the top menu and click View. In that drop-down menu, look for the option called Show Ruler. Click it and the ruler will appear in your document. Google says this same menu option is also used to hide the ruler, so if it is already checked, that means the ruler is currently turned on. Once the ruler is visible, you will normally see the horizontal ruler across the top of the page. Depending on your document view, you may also see the vertical ruler on the left side. Google's help community notes that when Show Ruler is enabled, the vertical ruler can appear automatically along the left side of the document as well. Now here is one important detail. If the ruler still does not appear, the document may be in Pageless mode. Google Docs support discussions and help guidance point out that the ruler is available in Pages mode, so if needed, go to File, then Page Setup, and make sure Pages is selected instead of Pageless. Google's Page Setup help confirms that you can switch the document to Pages from the Page Setup window on desktop. So the full process is simple. Open your Google Docs file, click View, then click Show Ruler. And if you still do not see it, check your Page Setup and switch the document to Pages mode. After that, the ruler should be visible and ready to use for formatting and alignment. That's all it takes to show the ruler in Google Docs. It only takes a few seconds, and it can make editing margins, indents, and layout much easier while you work on your document. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.